Trees are a very important resource for our country. Both people and animals can get many kinds of food and medicine from them. Their wood can be used for many things including cooking, heating, making furniture, and building houses and boats. If we cut down trees, we may destroy our environment, because without trees our environment will not be either comfortable or attractive in either town or country. An important thing to know about trees is that they hold the earth tightly so that the soil on the surface cannot be blown away in windy or washed away by heavy rain. This is important, because when the surface soil is blown or washed away from an area, plants cannot grow there and that place becomes a desert. When it becomes empty and dead, people will avoid it and everyone living there will suffer and have to move away. Of course, sometimes we must cut a tree, but we must plant another in its place. And we must do this regularly. Remember, it is easy to cut down a tree, but it isn't easy to grow one. It takes only an hour or two to cut down a lovely, big tree. It can take more than 100 years to grow one. Now we may feel that our country is very beautiful. But for how long? We must look after our trees carefully if we don't want our country to become a desert.